Hello friends, we'll be discussing the concept of two approaches to producers equilibrium. Now, producers equilibrium, we know about that. There are two different approaches that we can achieve producers equilibrium through. That means there are two different ways in which we can achieve the producers equilibrium here. Now, what are those is something that we are going to learn about. Let's go into the theory part here. Producers equilibrium refers to the level of output, a commodity that gives the maximum profit to the producer of the commodity. This producers equilibrium, or rather this producers equilibrium that we're talking about, it gives maximum profit here. This is what the main objective of producers equilibrium stands for. Now, given the assumption of profit maximization by the firm, it will be in equilibrium when there is no scope for either increasing its profit income or reducing its loss by changing the quantity of output here. That is, it cannot improve its economic position by changing the output. Now, if we are saying that there is producers equilibrium, we need to understand there can be only two situations. One, where the producer cannot maximize the profit anymore. Second, where he cannot reduce the output anymore. Both these situations can say that there is a different producer solution, or rather producers equilibrium, that is coming into existence. Now, the next part refers to profit is equal to total revenue minus total concept, sale minus cost. Therefore, the level of output at which total cost is maximum is called equilibrium level of output. The level of output whereby total cost is maximum, that is known as equilibrium level of output here. There are two approaches to arrive at producers equilibrium. What are they? First is TCTR approach, that means total revenue into total cost approach. And the next is marginal revenue into marginal cost approach. So these are the two kind of approaches that we'll be dealing with. This was just a basic introduction for you to understand what are those approaches. We'll be understanding about these two approaches in the next few videos, whereby we'll be understanding each and every approach and how exactly it works here. So that's it for the video. Thank you.